Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the passing of a legendary computer hacker, Kevin Mitnick. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. It is sad, no, to know that one of our remarkable, no, computer hacker, legendary, no, one of my idol is Kevin Mitnick, dies at 59 according to the report of CNN Business, no, by Andy Rose, published July 21, 2023, no. So Kevin Mitnick, according to this report, was a famous hacker of cybersecurity, died over the weekend at the age of 59 years old, no, for a long battle of pancreatic cancer, according to his family in the obituary, no. So Kevin Mitnick, no, for information to everybody, was well-known hacker who has been, no, spent 4 years in federal prison for stealing computer secrets, talks to the media, no, here in 2020, no, 2026, no, Los Angeles. Okay, so he is a remarkable hacker, used his talent, no, to become a famous hacker. He also published a book, no, Ghost in the Wires, My Adventure as the World's Most Wanted Hacker, in 2011. Okay, so Kevin, no, was in federal prosecutors agreed to plead deal in 1999 to 7 criminal counts, including wire fraud and causing damage to computers, no. So spent 46 months prison time, no. So after his prison term, Kevin became a white hat hacker, using his expertise to legally help businesses to track people trying to break into their systems. For the past decade, he was a chief hacking officer and partial owner of the tech security firm No Before, founded by his close friend and business partner Stu Stoverman. I made some really stupid mistake in my past as a younger man that I regret, according to him in 2005. So according, no, to his friends, Kevin was a dear friend to me and many of us here in No Before. Stoverman said and he is truly a luminary in the development of cybersecurity industry, but mostly Kevin was just a wonderful human being and he will be dearly missed. A memorial for Kevin is scheduled for August 1 in Las Vegas. His company said he is survived by his wife Kimberly, who is pregnant with their first child, the family said. Truly, no, Kevin Mitnick put, no, the map of cybersecurity from a black hat hacker to a white hat hacker. So rest in peace, dear Kevin, no? So I hope that you love, no, to like this video, no. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.